Ah, Colo de France, Colo de Senegal. Yeah. Getting in contact with strangers brings me deeper into the culture and traditions of West Africa. Welcome back on my world trip, where I am exploring Senegal right now. If you want to know how Africa is, this adventure will be crazy. I don't know what will happen, but I just got a bottle of milk from a local and will now go into the direction of Saint Louis, which is on the coast of Senegal. Welcome on my world trip. I'm hitchhiking. That man gave me just a free ride. He was a taxi driver and he said, bro, come, join, it's fine. My first impression is like I'm in love. People have style, like fashionably wise. People smile. There's music on the street. There is so much life. Salam alaikum. The first impression is for sure it gives me an island vibe. Literally 1 second later I'm walking here. Look at this. Wow! Okay, this reminds me a bit of Thailand though. The colorful wooden boats on the beach, there are hundreds of them. And there's trash every single where. And I just learned a few days ago that the value that people give on trash is so different compared to the value that I give from back home. I used to get educated that trash is not something you should put in nature. But some people do not get this education and for them they are normal. Yeah. And then you see yourself.
Yes.
What the freak? There's a freaking pelican walking here randomly in the street. Oh, it scares me though. That animal is huge. Holy shit. But I want to go to the Buddha tree and it's there. Love it. Merci beaucoup. Oh my. The local petrol station where they get fuel for the boats and then bring to that side though. Most of the people work here I think as a fisherman or they are the taxi service with a horse. The whole street is filled with goats. Oh, you are beautiful. Merci. The beach is there. While walking in the fisherman area, people started screaming towards me that I needed to leave. I was not welcome over here. Same feelings as I had in the north of Mauritania. Beach and alive. And there is something there in the ocean though, which is like a petrol, maybe a, I don't know. Bonjour. Ça va? What's that?
Platform gas.
Platform gas.
That's a British petrol. Ça, drapeau France.
Ah, Colo de France, Colo de Senegal.
Allemagne.
Yeah.
Allemagne.
So,
Allemagne.
Allemand?
Right.
Allemand or Belgium?
Non, Allemagne.
Allemagne.
Jaune et rouge.
Okay, la français.
Senegal.
Oui, I understand. And next one, Japan. No. Because you just told me people from Japan are fishing here.
Yes, Japan no good.
What? That's illegal.
Yes.
So in the beginning, this man was very nice, and he still is, of course. As a person, amazing. He's very proud of his job. In the end, he asked me for money and everything, and that is something, a friction inside me. I cannot help everyone. And who can I trust? With who can I have a truthful, real conversation, which is not going out on money or stuff? If you follow my journey for a while, you notice that I speak with locals quite often. But conversations started to change here in Africa, because the conversations I used to have are now turning into conversations which only goes about money. With keeping in mind that I've been to different parts of the world with different life conditions, but it's the first time that I experience it in this way. And that gives the conversation a different feeling. The man was telling me that there's a big problem coming on with a rising sea level and the house is so close by the ocean. Which I also saw in the Maldives though, and sadly a lot of other places. Those children are walking with a trash bin, which are just empty in the ocean. Oh, wow. Hey! They call this the other side. The men call this the other side. This is Africa, and that is Europe. And it makes sense, because there's a huge ass difference with walking here and walking there. So in the man's his words, I'm going back to Europe, and for sure I will go back to Africa very soon. You're good? Okay. What? Ah, it's 7. After a night of sleeping in the dormitory of the hostel, I woke up and it's time to explore the European side. Okay, from the hostel where I'm staying, I'm going out. I got invited on a school. A woman out of Japan is volunteering on that school, and I met her in a restaurant and she invited me to have a watch. Since Japan and Senegal have a very good connection with each other, they can volunteer here for 2 years. So let's see how that works out. Wow. Okay, made it to the school. The school must be here. And they run away. They have elections for who is going to be the child president of the school. This is very beautiful though. That they make this, it's incredible, in 1 week.
Yeah.
You use the newspaper for this?
Yeah, 수분화.
Like those are newspapers.
Yeah.
They roll it and then they
put it. And
they learn how to farm.
yes.
The girls
Yeah.
to use it back home or to work for a farmer.
Yeah, I think so.
We bought some snacks and this is a baobab, which is made from the typical Senegali tree. This is the typical Senegali tree. And there's kind of a fruit in it. It's like a pear, or how is it called? There are fruits in, right? Located in the center is a very old church. What is this?
Baobab, bui.
Baobab?
Baobab. Yeah, bui.
It's something from Japan or something from Senegal?
From Senegal, from Africa.
Wow. And you put it in water
Oui.
and then it will grow?
Laissez un peu de temps.
Okay.
Tomorrow's your funeral. Is it cool?
Pretty good.
Biscuit.
Yeah, pretty good. I cannot describe how it tastes. A bit sweet. And there's something inside. The flowers are so beautiful, and there are hundreds of eagles above us. Holy damn. Okay, I'm gonna leave San Luis and I'm going to change that for Dakar, which is like 260 kilometers away from here. Must be easy hitchhike though, since there's one road. Got a short ride, which brings me totally out of St. Louis. That's good. So now try to get a bit longer ride, but hey, everything helps. This boy is walking to the road. We're on the road. There are some cars. Some hitchhike. But I always have the ID from my dad to make a sign, which I still can do though. But give it 30 more minutes and then have a try. In the last couple of days in St. Louis, I learned so much about Senegal and about the first impressions who totally changed in not only a very beautiful city, but there's a story behind that. And the differences between the fisherman places and the more French European side. Very interesting. What do you think? Is that car gonna stop or not? I don't think so. But hey, keep positive. No. This car might be though. Oh my god, this is such very good news. This bus or truck stopped. Assalamu alaikum. I want to go that way. And the landscapes are changing again. The baobab tree, the typical Senegal tree, is visible on every side of the road. It gives me a warm, special feeling while I learn about the culture and traditions. That ride brought me almost 200 kilometers. So I think I have still 60 or 40 kilometers left. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make that because I need to walk 3 kilometers out of town. But I found this spot. It's an auberge. I paid 3,000 franc, which is €5. Good. Good. The rooms are 10 or 15,000. And he said you can put your tent up if you want. Have dinner. I'm very hungry. With my backpack on my back, I'm heading towards Dakar. In the next episode, you see how I arrived there and changed my mind about this huge-ass city, which I only know about the races which goes through the biggest warm desert of the world towards Dakar. Thanks for watching, subscribe if you're new here, and don't forget to say hello to a stranger. It could change your day.